Top 5 Meat Thermometer. Number 5. Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. The Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer offers precision cooking for up to 3 foods simultaneously with individual temperature tracking. Featuring quad sensors, 3 internal, 1 ambient, for maximum accuracy, it ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. With unlimited Bluetooth range, you can monitor your cooking remotely via the Chef IQ app, receiving real-time alerts, flip reminders, and estimated cooking times. The waterproof, dishwasher-safe probes withstand high heat, up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, and charge in just 10 minutes for 40 hours of use. The app provides cooking presets and guided recipes, making it an ideal tool for grilling, roasting, smoking, and more. Perfect for home cooks and barbecue enthusiasts. Number 4. Meter Plus Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. The Meter Plus Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer offers a wire-free cooking experience, allowing you to monitor your food remotely via Bluetooth and the Meter app on iOS and Android. Featuring dual sensors in one probe, it tracks both internal meat temperature, up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and ambient temperature, up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit, for precision cooking. The bamboo charger doubles as a signal repeater for enhanced connectivity. With the guided cook system, receive step-by-step instructions, alerts, and estimated cooking with resting times. Dishwasher safe and maintenance-free, Meter is perfect for grilling, roasting, smoking, and baking. A top-rated gift for barbecue lovers, chefs, and foodies, ensuring perfect results every time. Number 3. ThermoPro TP17 Dual Probe Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP17 Dual Probe Digital Meat Thermometer is a versatile and precise cooking tool designed for smokers, grills, ovens, and BBQs. Featuring dual probes, it allows you to monitor 2 temperatures simultaneously, whether for different meats or grill temperature. With USDA preset temperatures and manual adjustments, it ensures perfectly cooked meals. The high and low temperature alarm alerts you if your grill exceeds the desired range. Its large backlit LCD display provides clear temperature readings in any lighting. The highly accurate probes cover a wide range of 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy to use and store, it includes a magnetic back and fold-out stand for convenience. Number 2. AMMZO Meat Thermometer. The AMMZO Meat Thermometer is a highly accurate, instant-read digital thermometer that provides temperature readings in 2 to 4 seconds. It supports both Celsius and Fahrenheit, -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, and is ideal for barbecue, grilling, frying, baking, and candy making. Featuring an IP67 waterproof rating, it can be cleaned under running water without concern. The large 1.65-inch backlit display ensures easy reading in dim lighting. Designed for convenience, it has a retractable probe, anti-slip grip, magnetic back, and hang loop for easy storage. The auto-off function saves battery life, while the hold button allows you to lock temperature readings without staying near the heat. Number 1. Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer. The Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer is an instant-read digital thermometer designed for fast and accurate temperature readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. It comes pre-calibrated with a recalibration feature if needed. Ideal for barbecue, grilling, baking, deep frying, and candy making, it works with meats, liquids, air fryers, ovens, and more. The large digital display with a bright blue backlight ensures easy reading, even in low light. Water resistant, it can be cleaned under running water. Packaged in an elegant, it makes a great gift for grill lovers, home cooks, and outdoor chefs. A must-have kitchen essential for precision cooking. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.